Karthik, with all the work that we do in helping customers improve their operations and prepare for the future, what does a holistic digital transformation journey actually look like?
Everything starts with the maturity assessment. So you cannot address an issue if you do not know where the issue is. So you really need to sort of take a snapshot, and definitely there are a lot of tools which can help you there.
What are these tools, and how can a corporation utilize them?
One of the example I can give you, one of the tools which at least Yokogawa is predominantly using is called Smart Industry Readiness Index, where it is a purely holistic and independent organization which sort of not just measures and take a snapshot and gives recommendation, but it also sort of takes in the facilities KPIs, cost profiles, and also biggest thing is measures it with a broader audience and then gives a feedback. Okay, fine, these are your gaps, these are the possible solutions you can look at and how you can get better.